Hi Lana, welcome once again to Lana's Coach. We want to take a look at some of the best culinary arts schools and courses that you can always enroll in when you are here in Kenya. Now, culinary arts is under the hospitality industry, so that means these particular schools or other courses that we're going to mention can always supplement what you are doing within the culinary arts, and of course you can even expand your knowledge by doing other hospitality courses that we're going to mention here. So I've already opened our website, which I've already written a lengthy and detailed article about some of the best schools and courses. But I want us first of all just to look at these particular courses or rather institutions one by one, starting with Top Chef's Culinary Institute. Now, this is one of the best culinary arts schools that offers very marketable culinary arts courses, right? I'll always recommend you check with Top Chef's Culinary Institute. So if you check their website the way I'm doing, if you go to the programs, you'll find that they offer quite a wide range of programs. Not only culinary arts, you can see they have diploma in culinary arts, which takes 2 years, and of course they have certificate in culinary arts, which take 1 year, right? So should you want to know about all these particular programs, just proceed to the website, download a certificate and diploma, right? So you will be expected, right, to at least have passed some written test in maths, English, and have general knowledge and adaptability. You'll also need to pay an application fee of 1,000, which is non-refundable, and of course you'll need to do some kind of personal interview. You also need to have some previous practical kitchen experience, right? So that is a Top Chef's Culinary Institute, right? So if you're interested, just check with the admission so that you proceed and do this particular course. The other one in our list is Bulma International Hospitality College. Now, Bulma enjoys quite a number of advantages. Of course, it is situated in a serene environment. It is associated with very many reputable organizations such as Red Cross. It has its own best class. We can talk about best class hotels, right? That can always, the students can always do their attachment, right? So it's a world-class Swiss hotel management college. It offers a variety of courses, right? So if you check within their programs, if you click on their programs here, you'll find that they are offering quite a number. So they offer certificate in culinary operations. They also offer Swiss diploma in culinary arts, and you can see they have additional of other hospitality courses such as diploma in international hospitality management, a certificate in hospitality operations, and so on and so forth. So we're talking about culinary arts, so you can always enroll for their diploma in culinary arts, and of course you can also proceed and check their certificate in culinary operations. So that is it, and you can see they have quite a number of short courses also, which is actually good. As I mentioned, the best thing with Bulma is that it is internationally recognized, and when it comes to internship, they offer their student opportunity to do their practical, or actually to do their to perform their skills within other reputable world-class hotels, right? All right, so that is Bulma. We have Kibondeni. Kibondeni is also another best school that offers culinary arts. As you can see, if you click on the programs, you'll find that it offers not only culinary arts but other additional program. You can see they have catering and accommodation, right? So you can check with them so that at least you get to understand a lot more. Of course, they have short courses that takes between 3 months, right? And you can always register with them either in January and September, right? So you can check with Kibondeni. We also have international This is international Hotel and Tourism Institute, right? International Hotel and Tourism Institute, as the name suggests, it is internationally recognized. So if you check on the courses here, you'll find that it offers a wide variety of courses. Remember, these particular colleges or schools that I'm mentioning are accredited and are well recognized. Some are recognized within Kenya and outside Kenya, like this one, right? So you can say they also offer short courses, right, that you can also enroll in, like events management, right? They also have, you can also join different careers, right, after you've done their courses, right? So the good thing is that they offer some bachelor degree in culinary arts. So they offer the BTech Higher National Diploma in Culinary Arts is a 2-year program, right, that provides the students with some kind of classroom theory, food production, demonstrating hands-on practical application, and so on. So sorry, I did mention that they provide BTech Higher National Diploma in Culinary Arts, right? So kindly check with them, right, if you are interested. Then we have Frontline Institute is also a well-known school that offers culinary arts and other hospitality courses, right? So as you can see, they showcase different kind of courses. So if you come to courses here, they have short courses, they have certificate courses. Maybe you can check with their diploma courses, and you'll realize that their diploma courses, they have culinary arts, right? So their culinary arts provides hands-on training in the art of cooking and food preparation. Students will learn various culinary techniques, menu planning, food presentation, kitchen management, preparing them for exciting opportunities in the culinary industry. So that's what we are looking for, and yes, they provide that. Again, maybe they could be providing the same within their certificate courses. So maybe let's just have a look. So they just offer diploma in culinary arts, right? So you can always they also have a certificate. You can see culinary arts, right? So they offer both certificate in culinary arts and diploma in culinary arts. We also have the other one, that is Air Travel Center, or Air Travel and Related Studies Center. You can see the programs that they're offering. They actually are internationally recognized. They offer some accommodation. They offer international languages. All right, these are some of the things that makes it stand out. Maybe let's check on the additional programs that they offer. So if you want to study in some of the best schools, then you can look at what we are talking about, right? Anyway, so if you want to do culinary arts, you can always check with Air Travel and Related Studies Center. So you can always download prospectus here and check what they are providing. All right, so I've just downloaded the prospectus, and if you scroll down, you can see they offer quite a number of courses, right? Food and beverage, housing and accommodation. They also offer cabin crew, right? So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see they offer international hotel and catering management, and one of their units or other courses that you can do is culinary theory. I think I saw it somewhere here. Yeah, if you take a look, they provide that. Here it is. So course structure and schedule, students who are introduced to the following area. So at least they provide some culinary theory, but not really in details. The other one that maybe I didn't have a chance to open the website because it was down. So let's just go back to our website because I'd written about it. That is Utali College. So if you scroll down, I mentioned about Utali College. Yeah. So Utali College is also one of the most popular hotel and tourism, of course, schools, right? And it offers different categories of certificate courses, diploma courses, and degree courses. So as you can see, I've written here that culinary arts in Utali College is especially desired by many students due to the college's successful history, right? So the courses offered here among the culinary arts related courses are certificate in food and beverage services, production apprenticeship, which takes 2 years, certificate, and of course 1.5 years in food production, right? So those are some of them, and I believe the other one that I haven't mentioned could be, I believe, Impacts Chef. Don't know whether I mentioned that. So Impact Chefs and Hospitality Institute is also another one. They provide diploma in food production, certificate, of course, certificate in pastry and bakery. So you can check with them for additional information. So what next? What are the job opportunities in culinary arts? Because you'll be wondering, now after I've graduated from these particular schools, what should I, or what am I expected to do? So you can become a chef, right? You can become a culinary arts instructor, teaching people. You can become a caterer, a restaurant cook, food production manager, executive chef, nutrition service manager. You can become food service manager. You can say the list is endless. There are quite a number of opportunities, and that's why culinary arts or other hospitality courses are very, very marketable, right? You can even become a director of food and nutritional services. So if you're wondering how many years you'll be required to take, it depends with the institution, right, or the course that you're going to do, and of course the mode of study. Is it part-time or full-time, right? So ideally for certificate or diploma courses, they normally take between 9 to 12 months, and of course in some institutions it'll take up to 2 years, right, for diploma. If for bachelor degrees takes 4 years, and plus some kind of internship that will take 3 to 6 months. So yes, learner, if you're there and you find this information useful, kindly don't forget to like this particular video, and of course kindly share with us your thoughts on these schools that you have mentioned. Is there any other one that you feel that we should add into our list, right? And of course, if you have not yet joined our community, kindly do so. All right, thanks.